And both the chosen plaintext and the chosen ciphertext can be adaptive. So if you see adaptive chosen plaintext or adaptive chosen ciphertext, what that means is the attacker is able to carry out one attack, and based on the results of that, the attacker tweaks that attack and sends another attack that's just a little bit different. So I can do one chosen plaintext attack, and then depending upon the information I get back, that'll help me determine what do I need my next attack to be. And I could send another chosen plaintext attack that's a little bit different. So adaptive just means that the attacker can modify the attacks, and that would happen until the attacker figures out or finds what they're looking for, again, which is usually a key.